Hi, this is Dr. Seema Kotak, a homeopath, and today I'm going to talk about a very common condition called as allergic rhinitis. So, what is allergic rhinitis? It is a hyperactive response to some allergens like pollen, dust, or maybe even animal dander. So, what are the common symptoms then? The symptoms are itchiness inside the nostril, some scratchy feeling, or constant sneezing, runny nose, some irritation in the nose, or there may be also stuffy feeling, congested feeling, or a blocked feeling in the nose, on and off. Some people also complain of post nasal discharge, like they do and they feel something has come in the throat. So that can also cause some scratchy feeling in the throat. There are other individuals who also may have cough because of this postnasal discharge. Also, another common symptom is there is a lot of itchiness of the eyes. There may be watering of the eyes also. Now, because of all of this, what actually happens is these symptoms cause the person to feel very irritated, and so it affects other areas of his life also. Like the person may not get proper sleep. So, what will happen? He will be always irritated, not in mood, not able to actually focus on his studies or whatever work he's doing in his office. So naturally there will also be lot of fatigue because of constant kind of these symptoms. Now there are two types of allergic rhinitis. One is the seasonal type, like जब भी season change होता है, whether it is summer or maybe spring, that time all the symptoms will start. In some people, they have the other type of allergic rhinitis, which is called as a perennial allergic rhinitis. मतलब साल भर उनको ये symptoms चालू ही रहते हैं. So there are people you must have seen जो जब देखो they are always cleaning their nose, they are always irritated. And the common triggers in such people are also जोर से हवा, ठंडी हवा, like they are looking out of the car, a draft of cold air, and they causes problem in them. Some may get affected by the humidity. There are other people who may have a lot of problem because of the cold weather. So different people have different triggers. There are also people who come and tell me that if there is a strong perfume, deodorant, any strong smell, chemicals, यहाँ तक कि मुझे बहुत सारी औरतें बोलती है कि हम जब खाने में वघार देते हैं, all the symptoms start. It gets very irritated and they are unable to do their work. And another thing to be mentioned here is that who all are at risk then? Most commonly, if there is a family history of these kind of allergic rhinitis, then the person is more prone or more at risk to have the same kind of complaint. Also, we have noticed that a person who has bronchial asthma or maybe atopic eczema, then such person is more prone to having allergic rhinitis. So then what are the things that the person can do at home? First is maintain a cleaner home, more hygiene at home. Then wash hands before touching and obviously after touching the animal so that the animal dander doesn't affect the person. And of course, whenever going out, to use sunglasses to avoid irritation in the eyes. Now, homeopathy affects every individual in different ways because we take the history, and once we take the history we are able to understand the person much better. So it really heals very beautifully, because whenever a person comes to me, I take the history, I understand the person, and then depending on what the triggers are, as I mentioned, whether it is the cold weather or the humidity or even stress. In fact, I do have many children who come and tell me that they have an exam tomorrow and the symptoms are more. Or there is a presentation tomorrow and the rhinitis gets triggered off very badly. So depending on what the person tells me, I understand the person and accordingly give the homeopathic medicine. And yes, it works wonderfully. Whether the complaint has been there since few months or few years, it really works wonderfully. So definitely you should choose homeopathy if you have allergic rhinitis. So until next time, take care. See you.